Hello all, welcome to Technostic. In the section of Digital Fundamentals, as we are studying logic function realizations with MSI circuits, previously we saw De Morgan's laws and Boolean algebra laws. So today we are going to use it for reducing. So today's topic is reduction of Boolean expression. So we'll be seeing two examples. So let's see first example. There is function equals to a plus b into ac plus b plus c bar into d. So first we'll use distributive law for this. Distributive law, and we'll reduce that, which comes to a plus b into ac plus bd plus c bar d. Then we'll use again distributive law for this term and all the rest ones. So we are again using distributive law. A plus abc plus bbd plus bc bar d. Now what we'll do is, as you all know, that b into b, that is b and b, is equals to b. So this term becomes a plus abc plus bd plus bc bar d. Now from this term we'll take bd common, and from this term we'll take a common. So what we get is 1 plus bc plus, we take bd common from here, so we get 1 plus c bar. From now you know from OR laws, 1 plus a is equals to 1, no matter what a is. So here this becomes 1 and this also becomes 1. So a plus bd. This is our final result. Let's take another example. Function is a into b plus c bar into ab plus ac bar whole bar. Okay, so first we'll apply De Morgan's theorem, and for this one, so a into b plus c bar. Now De Morgan's theorem, break the line, change the sign. So what we'll do over here is ab bar dot a bar c. Now again we'll use De Morgan's for these two terms, De Morgan's theorem. So a into b plus c bar, that is a bar plus b bar, then dot a bar plus c. Now using distributive law, we will multiply c bar inside. So this becomes a into b plus a bar c bar plus c bar b bar. First what we'll do is, we'll not use distributive law. Let's just first do this, that we'll multiply these two using distributive law. So what we are doing here is a into b plus c bar, and then a bar plus a bar c plus a bar b bar plus b bar c. Now we'll multiply c bar inside. So a b plus a bar c bar plus a bar c bar plus a bar b c bar plus b bar c bar. So now there are three things that we'll do simultaneously over here in one step. That is anything, that is here I'll just show a bar dot a bar is equals to a bar. This is from AND laws. Then for this we are going to do is c dot c bar complement is 0. Okay, and with anything that is ended with 0 will become 0. Similar will be the case over here. So what we'll do is b plus, here it will become a bar c bar plus this will become 0 plus a bar b bar c bar plus this will also become 0. Now we'll multiply a inside with distributive law. So that becomes ab plus a bar c bar plus a bar b bar c bar. Now this term becomes 0 as a into a bar is equals to 0, and this term also becomes 0. So our final output is AB. This is our reduced expression. So this is how you do reduction of Boolean expression. You can solve more and more questions to get comfortable with it. You can use your Boolean laws and De Morgan's theorems. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. Please stay tuned to entire series to Technostack, and please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.